intent data means that there are vendors that tells them, okay, we will let you know who is searching for your product on the web. And you'll get their details or the company details. It's either company level or content level. And those tools cost a lot of money, but it's kind of a black box. You don't really know if they're searching for you, and it's really hard to validate. And AI allows us to get those signals in a way that we can validate, and it's basically free. What I'm going to teach you, it's really, really cheap. But first, we want to understand what is those signals. We have first-party data, first-party signals, second-party signals, third-party signals. The first-party signals are the most valuable and most expensive, because those are signals that people are getting to know us. So either they visited the website, content download, email open. So this is still top of the funnel, but what you're going to see here is the steps even before top of the funnel. So what are users doing before they even go to a sales call? This is their breadcrumbs. We want to utilize opportunities and see if there is a pattern that they do before they get to us, so we can catch them before by means that we initiate. So right now, I want you to look at these signals like website visit, content download, email open, engagement with LinkedIn posts, behavior inside your products. Now we are at the stage that we're trying to think what are all the signals that can deliver the most value. So this is one signal. Now, other signals are ad interactions and people who actually liked your ads. Most companies don't do anything with that, and it's definitely a signal, or it might be. We want to validate that. Job change, people are very inclined to do changes in the first 90 days of their job change. Comments on LinkedIn, and comments on LinkedIn, J2 page, if there's a lot of people doing bad reviews on your competitors, it's also a good signal. Signals are patterns, are breadcrumbs, are indications that our prospect are looking or will be looking in the future for our solution.
Okay.
Or are exploring our solution. We're going to get into the details, and it's going to be very clear. There are three kinds of signals, and the third-party signals, for example, do you agree with me that if you find your competitors' customers, and you know the specific competitors has an issue with their service or their platform, and it's a good opportunity to poach those customers?
For sure.
Yes. So this is about opportunities. So a competitor customer switch campaign might be a good idea for you if there's a good competitor that we can do this to. Technology stack. Some companies work very well with specific technologies, so it can't be too broad. Like, yes, I work with people that work with HubSpot, which is maybe
everyone.
So that's not a good signal. It needs to be more specific. And the social community discussion based on keywords, this is very powerful. Well, okay, I was talking about communities that the person is visible. Yeah, Facebook or Slack. Then if it was an option, then you can put in an agent that basically tells you whenever your name is mentioned or the competitor's name is mentioned. And then you can reach out to that person. That's a signal, right? If that person in the community asks for a solution, it's a signal. It's not a list of all the signals. It's examples of signals, and you might experience different signals. Funding, M&A activity or acquisition, hiring trend. That's very common. You need to see if it's a specific signal for you. Press release and PR events. So if it relates to you, competitors' new LinkedIn connection, you can follow your competitors' new connections and reach out.